constantly need to manure your banana farm. So what we are doing now is that we are doing the second phase of manuring this year. We're going to manure before the end of the dry season, so our plants will see water to absorb the nutrients left in the manure. This is cow dung manure, so it's actually good to use organic manure to actually fertilize the farm. That's what we're doing. Okay, you saw the way we dug around the banana tree. I just give it about a foot away from the banana tree, or 6 inches away from the banana tree. Then you apply your manure, then cover. This is the construction of the water well that will also serve as irrigation plant for our farm, for our banana farm. It's good. Hello guys, this is Stagro Farms. I welcome you to Stagro Farms. If you look closely, you will see that our irrigation system is gradually coming up. We just dug our well, covered, and then installed our zinc and the water collection system. So once it rains, the water will just flow down the well. So you see, that's a good one. It's quite unfortunate we didn't dig our well on time. The rainy season is fast ending, and then the harmattan season, as the dry season, is fast approaching. So we're gonna quickly do what, of course we're not done with the installation. We're still going to get our tank and install our irrigation pipes down the banana plants, individual banana plants.